Most welcome student. This is the next part of electrochemistry and heading is conductivity cell and cell constant. Cell constant is represented by G star. Now see what is the mean of conductivity cell. Now see the figure. There are the two electrodes and two electrolytic plates. The distance between two electrolytic plate is L and the cross section of area is A. This construction is called conductivity shell. Now ratio of distance between two electrodes and its cross section of area, this is called cell constant and represented by G star. Now we know that a kappa is equal to C into cell constant. It means cell constant will be represented by G star. So this is become K is equal to C into G star, or you can say that G star is equal to K upon C. K is specific conductivity and C is equal to conductance. Now after that, potential gradient means applied potential difference or EMF divided by distance between two electrode. पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट का मतलब होता है कि पर यूनिट डिस्टेंस में पोटेंशियल में चेंजेस कितना होता है, उसी को पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर फार्मूला लिखा हुआ है applied EMF or potential difference upon distance between electrode means delta V upon delta X means volt per centimeter. Now after that we are coming the question related to the given topic. Question is specific conductance of a concentration N by 50 KCl solution is 0.00276 per ohm per centimeter. If the conductivity cell filled with this solution show a resistance of 100 ohm, then calculate the cell constant. So we already know that the formula cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. So we know that resistance we have given, this is 100 ohm. So cell constant becomes 0.00276 into 100 means 0.276 per centimeter. After that we are coming the next question. Next question is conductivity shell is filled with 0.02 m KCl solution, specific conductivity of 0.2768 per ohm per centimeter. If it show that resistance of 82.4 ohm when the same cell is filled with a 0.0025 m K2SO4, it show a resistance of 320 ohm. Calculate the conductivity of K2SO4. So we know that cell conductivity is conductivity into resistance. Conductivity given is 0.2768 and resistance is 82.4. So cell constant is coming 22.81. After that we know that conductivity is equal to cell constant upon R. So we put the value of cell constant 22.81 upon 320, so this is coming as 0.0763 per ohm per meter. Next is molar conductivity denoted by del M. So question is conductance of a solution 1 mole of this electrolyte such that entire solution is between two parallel electrodes of 1 centimeter apart. So this is called molar conductivity. This is del M is equal to kappa into Vm. Vm is actually mole per liter, milli per mole. So del M is equal to kappa 1000 upon molarity. Now we are coming the unit of it. Unit of kappa we already know that this is a per ohm per centimeter and volume is centimeter cube per mole. So total unit become per ohm centimeter square per mole, and unit you can say that Siemens centimeter square per mole, and you must be remember that 1 Siemens meter square per mole equal to 10 की power 4 Siemens centimeter square per mole. Now after that equivalent conductivity, you must be remember that if the solution in normality, concentration is given in normality, then we calculate equivalent conductivity and represent by del EQ. And now definition, whatever write, it is defined as the total conduction of a solution containing a 1 gram equivalent of electrolytes such that entire solution is placed between two electrode 1 centimeter. So this is called equivalent conductivity, and its formula become del E cube is equal to kappa into V cube. We know that V cube is equal to 1000 upon normality. So del EQ is equal to kappa into 1000 into N. And unit is 1 centimeter square, Siemens meter square equivalent, equal to 10 to the power Siemens centimeters per equivalent. After that, the last point, this is the relation between equivalent and molar conductivity. This is del EQ is equal to N into molar conductivity. Clear? So this is the last point of today's topic. Now this is the end of the video. Thank you and thanks a lot.